In this video, I'll be showing you how to create discount codes for your Frameship store. I'm Monique from Insert Frame. Let's go. Firstly, we're going to start in Shopify. In your Shopify store, head to the discount section and you'll see we've already started one here. However, we're going to make a new one now. So if you go to create discount, you can choose any of the 4. Frameship supports them all. So I'm going to do amount of the total order. This is where you type in what the actual discount code will be. So I'm just going to make it 20 off, make it a fixed amount, and make that $20 off. You can change all the other settings down here as well. I'm just going to hit save. And I'm going to head back into Framer. And now that I'm back in Framer, I can add my discount components to my cart. So when I'm in my project, I'm just going to open my cart. Inside the cart, I'm also going to open the cart layer, and I'm going to be at these layers. Great, now that I'm here, I can grab the component from the plugin. I'm just going to go into our staging plugin, into components, cart, and when I scroll down, it'll be the discount code modal. So I'm just going to drag that in here. So this is where the customer will insert the discount code. And as you can see here, it pre-fills the ones that you already have set up in Shopify. So I'm just going to set this to fill, so it all works well. And if I want to add in the label of how much they're saving on their order, I can also add that in. So if I drag in the discount label component, make this fill. When I click on the component, go down to the properties panel on the right and go to label, I'll be able to select the name there and it will automatically lay it out for me. Great, now let's test this. So once I've published my changes and made sure that my license is connected, now I can test my discount code. So I'm just going to add a product to the cart here. And as you can see, there's the discount code section. So I'm just going to type in 20 off. And as you can see, it has picked up on the discount code, shown me what my discount is, as well as the subtotal. And then my customer can check out. And we're done. That's discount codes for Frameship.